Moni, light, back up a little bit, hon. There you go. Or you can go in and give her a kiss and then come back out.
No way.
What do you mean, no way?
No. Billy Betty. Come on, lead me, Les. Come on, my love. Come in. No, she's pushing. Look, she's putting me away.
Kicking you.
She's kicking me. No. Meals. Can she talk?
Not really. I think she's trying to, but not yet.
Not yet. No way. Look, she's smiling. She just smiling.
Very nice.
Let me pick her up.
No.
Why?
No. No, don't.
Sorry, Meals. Give me those feet.
Gentle. Oh my.
Why?
Oh.